vlog, but first we're going on a road trip. We are in the middle of nowhere, in the snow, in the ice, and we're going back to our hotel.
We just drove like 10 miles in a direction to then realize that all of the other off-roads are like not plowed and covered in snow still. It snowed like a bunch last night.
All the highways are closed.
Yeah, all the major highways are closed.
We were supposed to drive all the way in last night, but the road started to get really bad.
See, in hindsight, if I had known this was happening, I would have powered through.
Yeah. But we didn't know that.
Because we definitely could have made it, Kate.
I liked that we stopped. We made it! Welcome to the apartment.
Oh my God, get your phone. The doors are shut.
So we just went to Target to get cleaning supplies, and we also got a couch dropped off from Facebook Marketplace. We are currently cleaning, so I've just been Swiffering around, and I'm gonna continue. We also have a candle on the ground because it smells weird in here. But yeah, I'm gonna keep cleaning. So we're gonna be scrubbing down this whole apartment because honestly it's pretty dirty. So we got this scrubbing paste. We're going to town. Dan is cleaning.
Did I work it?
Oh yeah.
Let me see.
Okay, so it's really loud because the windows are open, but it's also really hot in here, so we can't shut them. But we just picked up chairs and put up posters. These are the chairs. They're so pretty. We got them off of Facebook Marketplace. We got 3 of them, and then there is a table and storage that will go over here. Then we put up these posters. They look so cute. And then we're probably gonna get lunch. We got some carrying to do.
Look, they're so masculine. Ooh. Ooh. Is it gonna make it? Is it gonna make it? Is it gonna make it? Oh.
Welcome in.
Oh, it gets hotter and stinkier.
Okay, good morning. We are about to go get bagels. It is Saturday morning and we still have things to move in, but we're doing pretty well, and we got new furniture from Facebook Marketplace that we've moved in. So far everything's good. We're just getting food.
Hey. Okay, so we're gonna load up the car.
So my sister has a storage unit and we still have stuff to fill up to bring to the apartment. So that's what we're doing now.
So hopefully we only have 1 or 2 more trips left. But
I'm on the phone.
I know, but I was just telling the camera also.
Okay,
so we hopefully, so Mom, did you hear me? So we only have 2 more trips left. Maybe 1 if we really try.
this side is not. Way later, but I'm back at school and I was editing this video and the footage just disappeared. So I guess I ran out of storage because the rest of the footage is gone. So I just wanted to come here and wrap up this video. This was just kind of a random vlog, but I enjoyed filming this and helping my sister move in. Hopefully you enjoyed this video a little bit. I know it's kind of random, but one day it will be my own apartment, which I'm so excited for. But for now, I'm in school. I don't have like a final clip of the apartment, but the greater part of this video was more about the actual moving process and less about the final result. Hopefully you still enjoyed this video, even though it kind of ends so randomly. But thank you so much for watching if you made it to this point, and I will see you in my next video.